Hello and welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this amazing PowerPoint presentation from scratch. We're going to start with a blank slide and I'm going to go to Format Background. Now I'm going to select the option Picture and Texture Fill. And I'm going to insert an image for my background slide. I'm going to insert a shape on the slide. I'm going to select the rectangular shape and I'm going to fill the slide with this shape. For fill color, I'm going to select the color white and I'm going to remove the outline of this shape. For transparency, I'm going to go with 10% and I'm going to insert another shape on the slide. I'm going to select this parallelogram. I'm going to drag this shape onto the left corner of the slide like this. I'm going to go to Format Background, and for fill, I'm going to select the option Slide Background Fill. I'm going to insert content on the slide like this. And I'm going to duplicate the slide. I'm going to delete the content. And I'm going to drag this shape to the right hand corner of the slide. Now I'm going to insert a shape on the slide. I'm going to select the rectangular shape with top rounded corners. I'm going to drag the yellow dot around the corner of the shape. For height, I'm going to go with 4.53, and for width, I'm going to go with 1.67. I'm going to rotate this shape. I'm going to go to rotate and I'm going to select the option rotate right 90 degrees. And I'm going to duplicate this shape 2 times. And I'm going to add content for each of the blue shape. I'm going to remove the outline of all the 3 shapes. And for fill, I'm going to select the option Slide Background Fill for all 3 shapes. I'm going to line all the 3 shapes with the content. You can follow the same steps. And I'm going to group all the 3 shapes with the content. I'm going to select all the 3 shapes and I'm going to distribute them vertically. I'm going to group them and I'm going to align them in the middle of the slide. I'm going to add animation for all 3 shapes. I'm going to select the fly in animation. For effect option, I'm going to select the option from left. For duration, I'm going to go with 1.00. I'm going to go to effect option. For bounce end, I'm going to go with 0.2 second. For start, I'm going to select after previous. I'm going to duplicate this slide and I'm going to delete all the shapes from the slide. I'm going to change the fill to solid fill. I'm also going to change the color background of this slide. I'm going to insert an apple image. You can get this from free pick. I'm also going to insert this rectangular shape. I'm going to send this shape to back. I'm going to insert this freeform scribble shape, and I'm going to draw on the slide like this. You can follow the same steps. Once I'm done, I'm going to select both the blue shapes, and I'm going to go to merge shape, and I'm going to select fragment. I'm going to delete this part of the shape that is outside the slide. I'm also going to delete this part. I'm going to remove the outline of this shape. I'm also going to change the color of this shape, of the blue shape. And I'm going to add content on the slide like this. I'm going to group this content with the shape on the right hand side of the slide. I'm going to duplicate the last slide. I'm going to drag this shape outside the slide like this. And I'm going to make this image smaller. I'm going to insert a circle on the slide. And for the height of the shape, I'm going to go with 4.97. For the width, I'm going to go with 16.47. I'm going to change the fill color to white, and I'm going to remove the outline of this shape. I'm going to place this shape on the top of the slide like this. I'm going to center a line. I'm going to duplicate this white shape, and I'm going to place the duplicate shape at the bottom of the slide like this. I'm going to center align this duplicate shape. I'm going to group these two shapes together. I'm going to center align and middle align them. I'm going to ungroup them, and I'm going to center align this image. I'm also going to middle align it. I'm going to duplicate the slide. I'm going to delete this shape. I'm going to add a rectangular shape on the slide. I'm going to change the fill color. I'm going to send it to back, and I'm going to change the fill color of this shape. I'm also going to remove the outline of this shape. Once I'm done, I'm going to duplicate this shape, and I'm going to drag it outside the slide like this. I'm going to send it to back. I'm going to change the fill color of this shape. Once I'm done, I'm going to select the apple with the two rectangular shape, and I'm going to drag it across the slide like this. You can follow the same steps. I'm going to insert an image of a mango on the slide. I'm going to select the mango image and the yellow shape. I'm going to go to the second last slide, and I'm going to place it outside the slide like this. You can follow the same steps. I'm going to duplicate this last slide, and I'm going to drag these two white shapes outside the slide. I'm going to go to the third last slide. I'm going to copy this shape, and I'm going to paste it here on the last slide. I'm going to drag it inside the slide like this. I'm also going to drag the mango image to the left hand side of the slide. I'm going to make this image bigger. I'm going to change the color of this shape. After I'm done, I'm going to insert some content on the slide. And I'm going to group the content with this shape. I'm going to copy this shape and I'm going to go to the second last slide and I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to drag this shape outside the slide like this. Now I'm going to duplicate this last slide. I'm going to drag this shape outside the slide again like this. And I'm going to make this image smaller and place it at the middle and center of the slide. I'm going to bring these two white shapes to the inside the slide again like this. You can follow the same steps. I'm going to duplicate the last slide. I'm going to delete this shape with the apple image. I'm going to drag this image with the mango outside the slide like this. And I'm going to duplicate this shape, the rectangular shape. I'm going to change the fill color. I'm going to send it to back and I'm going to fill the slide like this. Now I'm going to insert an image, kiwi image on the slide. I'm going to copy and paste it in the second last slide. You can follow the same steps again. I'm going to duplicate this last slide. I'm going to drag these two white shapes outside the slide again like this. I'm going to drag the kiwi image to the left hand side of the slide and I'm going to insert this shape again on the slide like how I did on the previous slides. I'm going to change the fill color and I'm going to add some content on the slide and I'm going to group them together. I'm going to copy and I'm going to go to second last slide and I'm going to drag this shape outside the slide like this. I'm going to delete the unnecessary slide. I'm going to select all the slides now. I'm going to go to transition and I'm going to select the morph transition. And once you're done, you're going to get this beautiful PowerPoint presentation. I hope you all enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.